Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English with Mr. Bond. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom. It's so good to have you here again.
Today, we're talking about something really important, something that everyone feels at some point.
That's right. Whether you're studying English, working on a goal, or chasing a dream, there are days when you just don't feel like doing anything.
You might wake up and think, I can't do this anymore.
Or you might feel like you're not improving, even though you've been trying hard.
But guess what? That's completely normal. And that's what we'll talk about today. How to stay motivated even when you feel like giving up. Let's start with something simple. Recognizing that feeling. Sometimes motivation disappears quietly. One day you just feel tired, distracted, or unmotivated.
And that's okay. It doesn't mean you're lazy or weak. It just means you're human.
Imagine you're climbing a small hill. Your legs start to hurt. You're sweating. You want to stop.
But if you take a deep breath, rest for a few minutes, and look at how far you've come, you'll realize you're already higher than you think.
Learning English is just like that climb. Some days you move fast. Other days you move slow. But every step still takes you forward.
So next time you feel unmotivated, don't fight the feeling. Acknowledge it. Say, I feel tired. That's okay.
Then take a moment to breathe and say to yourself, it's okay to rest. I will keep going.
The next step is to remember your why. Why did you start learning English in the first place?
Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want to study abroad. Maybe you dream of traveling or making international friends.
Everyone has a reason. But when we're tired, we sometimes forget it.
So when you feel like giving up, pause for a moment. Ask yourself, why did I begin?
Think back to that moment you decided to learn English. Maybe you were excited, inspired, or hopeful.
Close your eyes for a few seconds and remember that spark. See yourself reaching your dream, speaking confidently, understanding others easily, and feeling proud.
That vision is your power source. Your why is your fuel.
I'm learning English for my future. I will not give up. One reason people give up is because their goals feel too big.
Yes, like saying, I want to be fluent. That's a great dream, but it's a huge mountain.
The secret is to break that mountain into small, simple steps.
Instead of trying to learn everything, focus on one thing today, like 5 new words, 1 short podcast, or 1 grammar tip.
For example, today you might say, I'll learn the difference between much and many. That's one clear step.
And tomorrow, another step. Soon, you'll look back and realize you've already climbed higher than before.
Remember, progress is not about speed. It's about consistency.
Small steps make big progress.
Tom, this one's my favorite. Celebrate your small wins.
Absolutely. When you finish a short lesson or understand a new sentence, celebrate it.
Smile. Say, yes, I did it. Or treat yourself to a cup of coffee.
Even a happy dance works.
Motivation grows when you feel proud of yourself. Don't wait for the big success. Celebrate every small success because small wins build big confidence.
Every time you understand a movie line, write a sentence correctly or talk to someone in English, that's a victory.
Progress is progress, no matter how small.
Here's an important secret. Taking a break is not the same as quitting.
Exactly. You're not a robot. You need to rest sometimes.
Think of your phone battery. When it's low, you charge it. You don't throw the phone away.
I love that example. Rest is how you recharge your brain and energy.
You can take a short walk, stretch your body, drink water, listen to your favorite music, or even take a nap.
Then, when you come back, you'll feel refreshed and ready to learn again.
Rest, recharge, and return.
Let's talk about mistakes, because they're part of every success story.
Yes! Mistakes are not signs of failure. They're signs of learning.
Think about how babies learn to walk. They fall, they cry, and they get up again, over and over.
But each fall makes them stronger. The same is true for you when learning English.
When you make a grammar mistake or forget a word, don't say, "I failed." Say, "I learned something new today."
Mistakes help me grow.
Now let's talk about consistency, the real key to progress.
Even on your bad days, do something small. It doesn't have to be big or perfect.
Maybe read a short story, watch a quick video, or review your flashcards for 5 minutes.
5 minutes every day is more powerful than 2 hours once a week.
Because habits are like muscles. The more often you use them, the stronger they get.
Keep your rhythm, keep your momentum. Don't break the chain. A little every day is enough.
And finally, be kind to yourself. This one is so important.
Yes, because learning a language is not just about your brain. It's also about your heart.
Don't talk to yourself harshly. If you make a mistake, don't say, "I'm bad at English."
Instead, say, I'm still learning and I'm getting better.
Imagine you're your own best friend. What would you say to a friend who's struggling? You'd say, "You can do this. You're improving.
Be patient. You're doing great.
You can do it. You're improving every day."
So, friends, let's review what we've learned today. Recognize the feeling. Remember your why. Take small steps. Celebrate small wins. Take breaks, but don't quit. Learn from mistakes. Stay consistent and be kind to yourself.
Anna. Every small effort you make is proof that you haven't given up. You're learning, growing, and improving.
And remember, success doesn't happen in one day. It happens little by little, through patience and persistence.
You are doing great. Keep going. We believe in you.
Thanks for joining us today on English in Daily Life with Mr. Bond. If you liked this episode, please subscribe, share, and comment below. What helps you stay motivated?
We'd love to hear your stories. See you next time. And remember, don't give up. You've got this.